Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen identity operators. Okay. So in today's video we are going to see membership operators. So membership operators are basically used to test whether the particular sequence is present in an object or not. Okay, so let me create list now. So in next video we are going to see list. Okay, so if you don't know concept of list, just write whatever I am writing over here, and in next lecture you will understand. So here I am writing apple, and here I will write banana. Okay, and if I say print, okay, then first of all, how much operators are present in membership? So there are only two, which is in. Okay, and another is not in. Okay, these both are membership operators. So if I say apple in a variable a. Okay, so if I write this and run this, then you can see I got true because apple is present in this variable. Okay, in this list. Okay, and if I write um, print, and if I say a triple p l e, okay, and say not in a, then it is going to give you true. And if I say apple only, then you can see false because apple is already present in a string. Okay, because we are searching for something which is not present in A. So it gave us true because A triple PLE was not present in this, but this apple is present in this list, so it is returning true. So yeah, these are the membership operators. So in next lecture we are going to start with list. So this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next one. Thank you.